Now the Fishermen get it back near the center circle. Now Bill Guerin. The center. Goal! Right out of the gates, and the home team on top one chip. What a great way to start the game.
I'd love to see a great saucer pass like this one, Randy. Let's watch it again here.
This is a good example of offensive creativity.
Beautiful first assist.
He definitely earned that assist. Creative use there to get the puck up in the air. Briere. Oh, and here's Philadelphia. Behind the net. Goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of a home crowd.
I'd love to see a great saucer pass like this one, Randy. Let's watch it again here.
Oh, baby, that was nice.
It's one thing when you've got to pass around the defenders, but when you've got to include that vertical element, it's a different art form.
Yes, indeed. Gomez, now Redden with it. Here's Marcus Naslund and Brodeur. Goal! Right out of the gates, and the home team on top one chip. What a great way to start the game.
Some great playmaking going on here, Randy. The puck bounced off the goal, and he got some good wood on the shot, put it right where he wanted.
The goalie let the rebound get too far away. The defense couldn't get to it. It was scooped up and shot back before he could stop it.
Well, I thought he had a good chance at making the save there, but it bounced off his stick and went in. It's tough to make a save from close range like that.
Now Evgeny Malkin. Such a great future he's got. He's got it over the blue line. And a break goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Let's have a look at this goal. What an assault they mounted this time.
That's been known to stop a lot of shots, but not on this attack, Drew.
That was just a total collapse on the part of the D.
And here's Malkin. Now Sikora. He's got one assist. Crosby, and it's in! That's two in a row. And it's only been 3 minutes since his last one, and he's already knocked another one home. What a display!
Let's have a look at this goal. What an assault they mounted this time.
Watch the goalie trying to prepare for this one.
He drops to the butterfly position, but leaves too much room.